In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect domain to Kit account. To begin, sign into your Kit account and make sure you are in the correct workspace or company. On the bottom left of the screen, you will see your profile icon or your company name. Click there to open the account menu, then select Settings. This is where Kit keeps the options for account-wide configuration, including domains. Once you are in Settings, look to the left sidebar. Find and click Custom Domains. This section is specifically for attaching a domain you own to your Kit content, so your pages and links can use your branded web address instead of a default one. In the Custom Domains area, click Add a Domain. A field will appear where you can type your domain. Enter your domain name carefully. Use the exact domain you intend to connect, and double-check spelling, dots, and extensions, because even a small typo can prevent verification later. When you are ready, click Save. After saving, Kit will display DNS records that you need to add at your domain provider. You should see an A record and a CNAME record. Copy the records exactly as shown. Take your time here, because accuracy matters. If there are multiple values, make sure you copy each one to the correct record type. Now open a new browser tab and sign into the website where you purchased or manage your domain, sometimes called your domain registrar or domain provider. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Every provider labels this slightly differently, but you are looking for a place to manage DNS records. Paste the A record and the CNAME record into the DNS settings, matching the host or name fields and the values exactly as Kit provided. Save the changes in your domain provider. Go back to Kit and click Verify. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take some time to propagate. If verification does not succeed right away, wait a bit and try again, since many providers take several minutes or longer to apply changes. Once it verifies successfully, your domain is connected and ready to use in Kit. And that covers everything you need to know.